Okay, so you spin up a server in the cloud, but where does it really live? Let's talk AWS placement groups.
Right, it's on some physical hardware, sure, but you actually have way more control than you might think.
And that control? It's called an EC2 Placement Group. It lets you tell AWS how to place your instances.
All right, challenge number 1. Your app needs to be crazy fast, like ultra-low latency kind of fast. The answer? A cluster placement group. It packs your instances super close together on the same physical rack. And hey, for the exam, just remember this. Cluster equals close, crazy fast, and kind of risky.
This is perfect for high-performance computing. But if that one rack fails, everything goes down with it.
Okay, but what if safety is your number 1 goal, not speed? That brings us to challenge number 2. Well, for that, you've got the spread placement group. It puts every single instance on totally separate hardware.
So the memory hook here is spread equals separate and safe, but remember, it's for smaller setups.
And this is super important. There's a hard limit. Only 7 instances per availability zone. That's it.
So our last challenge is a big one. How do you get both safety and scale for those massive systems?
The solution is the partition placement group. This spreads your instances across different hardware racks or partitions. This means you get massive scale, but a failure in one partition won't touch the others. Pretty cool, right? It's built for big data systems like Hadoop or Kafka that are designed to be partition aware.
All right, let's put it all together. Here's a quick showdown of all 3 types so you can see the differences.
And to wrap things up, here's your cheat sheet. Seriously, memorize this for the exam. It's super helpful.
So, for your next project, what's it going to be? Speed, safety, or that perfect balance of both?